Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to hide rows in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to hide rows in Google Sheets? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Sheets and not sure how to hide rows in Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to hide rows in Google Sheets. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding rows in Google Sheet is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will hide rows in Google Sheets. First of all, open Google Sheets app in your mobile phone and then select any sheet you want to edit. Now I will choose that sheet. Now here are few rows in my Google Sheets. Now if you want to hide any rows, first select that row and then click on it. And now click on three dots. Now click on hide row and that row has been hidden in your Google Sheets. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide rows in Google Sheets, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.